Welcome back, Flare community. As always, I hope everyone is having an absolutely incredible day as always. And in this video, we're actually going to be doing something a little bit different. So let me just jump straight in. I have something very special to announce. Now, what we're looking at here is actually a titanium laser cutter. And I know what you're thinking, why the hell am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because both Tboon8, also known as Tyler, and myself have actually formed a partnership. Now, he creates these beautiful keychains, and he started up here with the casino coin community and creating these various keychains here, and recently he's actually created ones for the Flare network as well, and obviously the Songbird network too. Now, I think these look absolutely incredible, and Tyler approached me to see if I would like a Flare community keychain created for the community. And of course, I said yes. So let's jump to his website. So this is the website, boonrings.com, and as you can see, they do a variety of different products, and some of you with eagle eyes out there may have noticed this one here, the Flare Community Titanium Keychain. I think it looks absolutely incredible, and what's best is they have all of these anodized options, so you can actually pick a color which suits you best. For me personally, I think I like this one the most, the purpley blue one. But yeah, there's a lot of choice there. And also you can actually pay in various cryptocurrencies as well. You can see XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, etc. So basically the partnership was not just to create this Flare community keychain, but I will also receive a small commission for anyone that uses my link. I'm actually thinking of using the proceeds of this partnership to buy some keychains myself, and they will eventually come back to the community via the various raffles that I hold for community members. Again, you don't actually have to use the link in the description if you was planning to buy these. It's just a way that you can help support the channel and support the giveaways that I will eventually be giving back to you guys. Now, I do want to mention that this is a family-operated business running in the United States, and Tyler has actually reassured me that they have some of the best lead times in the industry. So I would actually love to know what color you guys would go for if you was to buy one of these. As I said, I think my favorite may be this purple and blue one here. I don't know, I guess we're spoiled for choice. So if you do fancy getting one of these for yourself, please feel free to check the link in the description. So with that being said, guys, I'm hoping everyone has an incredible weekend as always, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.